Kasi 18 din po ako kung di nyo na itatanong. Alam ni Miss Tel yan, and talagang...
Eric Santos admits being a proud 18, calls Tel world-class. Great talent recognizes another great talent. Just as SB19 is a fan of Eric Santos, so is Eric a proud 18. Yes, yan nga ay sinabi niya mismo sa kanyang milestone US and Canada tour sa San Francisco.
Kasi 18 din po ako kung di nyo na itatanong. Alam ni Miss Tel yan. And...
Not only that, he recognizes and acknowledges the talent of Stel as being world-class.
For me, you are very talented and world-class. Basta ano lang alam ko napakarami mo pang kayang gawin. You are very excellent in what you do. And ang ma-advise ko lang sa'yo, just stay humble and continue loving the people who truly love you. Diba? Kapag minahal mo sila ng totoo at alam mo sasamahan ka nila hanggang pagtanda.